Okay, so I just came from the Grand Bazaar and I bought some stuff, but I haven't bought anything in the Grand Bazaar. I bought stuff from the supermarket to eat during these 3 days. So I'm gonna show you everything that I've got and how much I spent in the end of the showing. So let's begin. So I bought some shampoo because here we don't have shampoo. They gave me some, but they are just miniatures and I can't take a shower with that. So I bought some shampoo. I bought as well some yogurt to drink during the breakfast, probably some iced tea for my meals, some noodles with veggies, cookies when I'm watching Netflix and stuff like that and editing the videos for you guys to see. And these ones are very good. If you come to Turkey, please buy the Doğulu Bis because they're awesome, are very nice. I bought them 3 times already and they are very good. I bought some butter for my breakfast to put on the bread and beans. It's very difficult to find canned products here in Turkey. I mean, at least in small supermarkets. In bigger ones, I don't know because I haven't visited any. But in small supermarkets near the neighborhood, it's very difficult. So I bought what I found, and I found some beans. It's a mix of beans, not beans. Beans, it's another thing. Beans and some peas. So this is my protein for the 3 days, and obviously I'm not going to cook every time. I'm probably going to do 2 or 3 meals in 3 days at home, and the others I'm gonna go and buy some food outside in a restaurant or something like that. So I think it's enough. I have more noodles because it's practical and probably it's what I'm going to eat today. In the other bag, we have some chips from the Sambba brand. I never heard of it, but let's see if it's good. It's from cheese flavor, so they're probably good. Then we have some bananas. I don't eat bananas that often since I arrived in Turkey, and normally I eat 1 banana or 2 a day, so I'm missing my bananas during the breakfast. Then I have more cookies. These ones probably they're very good because they're copying the Oreos, so they probably taste the same. Yeah, more cookies. Then I bought a lot of coffee. So this coffee allows me to do it in-house because you just mix it with boiled water and it's done in 2 seconds. So I bought a lot of them. This is a brand from here, I believe. It's Cafex. I hope it tastes the same as the Nestle or because I like it a lot and it's practical. And this one is a little bit different. I believe it's a little bit softer in the quantity of caffeine. So yeah, I bought one to try. Then I bought a chocolate, just one, because I have already cookies and already chips and I'm eating too much caca, so I just bought chocolate. Then I bought some cheese. Yesterday I bought 150 grams of cheese, but I didn't have the opportunity to eat it, so I just brought them with me. And while I was coming here, I just saw some dogs, street dogs, and I opened the package, gave it all to them, so had to buy another. And this one is 350 grams. The cheese, I believe it's very expensive in my opinion here. Not as expensive as it is in Switzerland, but it is very expensive. This was about, I don't know, but I think about $3 to $4, €3 to €4. So yeah, some cheese for my bread during the breakfast. Then I bought some rice. I ate rice yesterday or 2 days ago in a shopping mall, but I like very much basmati rice, and yesterday I cooked pasta in the other apartment, so I thought why not to buy some rice to cook now. Not now, probably tomorrow, but yeah, I love rice, so I bought some rice. And finally I bought some eggs. I just bought 6 because in the other house 2 days ago I bought 15 eggs and I just ate half of that, and the other half stayed at the apartment. I hope the people who clean the apartment use them, because yeah, it's food and I hate to throw away food. So yeah, I bought 6. If I need more, I'll buy after. I bought 6 because I'm staying 3 days here, and normally I eat 2 eggs in the morning for breakfast, so yeah, 6 eggs. And finally, let's see how much all of this was. So in total I spent 571 Turkish Lira. This is, I believe, if you're living here, or if you're familiar with the currency, let me know in the comments below how much is it in total, but I believe it's about 12 to 13 euros. And for you to have a notion, it's like these small bags were very inexpensive, 3.5 Turkish Lira. The chocolate was 8, and the nachos, the Sambba nachos, were 19.50. The basmati, the rice, was 57 Turkish Lira. These ones were 11 Turkish Lira. And it is what it is. And I'm very content with the choices I made. And now I'm gonna put this all away, store it. If you have any questions about this video or any other, let me know in the comments below. And if you took any value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao ciao, bye.